Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home technology. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home security with the AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless. Get ready to say goodbye to outdated doorbells and hello to convenience, clarity, and peace of mind. Let's jump right in and explore why the AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless is the best video doorbell home assistant available in the market today. With its cutting-edge features and seamless integration into your smart home ecosystem, this device is a game-changer. First up, let's talk about the key features that set the AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless apart from the competition. With its 2K resolution and 166 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens, you'll never miss a detail. Whether it's a package on your doorstep or a visitor at your door, you'll see it all in crystal-clear clarity. But what about storage? Say goodbye to monthly fees with the AOSU Doorbell Camera. It comes equipped with an 8GB micro SD card, offering up to 2 months of secure local storage. That means your footage stays private and accessible whenever you need it. Security meets convenience with smart human detection. Thanks to advanced AI algorithms, the AOSU Doorbell camera can distinguish between humans and other moving objects, reducing false alarms and ensuring you're only alerted when it matters most. Now, let's talk about ease of use and installation. One of the things we love about the AOSU Doorbell camera is how easy it is to set up and use. Installation is a breeze, with simple instructions and all the necessary hardware included. Plus, the intuitive mobile app lets you customize settings, view live footage, and receive notifications wherever you are. The AOSU Doorbell camera is built to withstand the elements. With an IP65 waterproof rating and certification to withstand heat, cold, rain, or sunlight. So you can count on it to keep your home secure rain or shine. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what real users have to say about their experience with the AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless. Lena from the United States says, "This is my second purchase of the AOSU video doorbell. We purchased a second one because of the quality this puts out." And there you have it, folks. The AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless is the ultimate home assistant for modern living. With its advanced features, easy installation, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, it's clear why this device is topping the charts. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay safe and stay connected with AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless.